rows, connecting town to town. New buildings stood tall, symbols of progress and possibility. Markets and stores filled with goods new to our eyes and palates. Spam, corned beef, Vienna sausage, and chocolates, and so much more. Mabalacanos love everything about food. Curious and excited, people rush to the stores just to get a taste of something new. And what do we love even more than food? Of course, fun and beauty. Early carnivals, parades, and festivals lit up the town, filling the streets with music, laughter, and grandeur. Each celebration exhibited not only beauty, but the unity of the people. So, what are you waiting for? Journey along with us as we showcase the remarkable transformation of our beloved city during the American era, the era that awakened a new Mabalakat. Ladies and gentlemen, contingent number 3, the first American influence in Mabalakat and first Pampanga Carnival.
to Miss Mabalakat 1933.
It's like Carnival, we're shining bright. Move your body to the heat tonight. Feel the fire, let it take control. One world, one love, one heart, one soul. Dance like Carnival. We're unstoppable. The ocean breeze, it lifts me higher. Your smile's a spark that lights the fire. K-pop meets the real night. Fusion dreams and neon light. Dance like Carnival, we're shining bright. Move your body to the heat tonight. Feel the fire, let it take control. One world, one love, one heart, one soul. Dance like Carnival. We're unstoppable.
Your contingent number 3, diverse American influences and the Pampanga Carnival.
How are you, judges? Oh my goodness! You could just enjoy the stage, just enjoy it.
Sabi mo, Pinma, ino po ay aguanta, ring tala suporta. Pero, your safety would still be the top priority. Yan pong